Hello, good morning, Ria here from Maisie Moo. Just jumping on quickly to show you how to put together this feathered leaf bag charm or fob. We saw something similar uptown the other day when I got my new handbag, and Maisie was like, oh, can we use the faux leather that we just received a couple of weeks ago from Joliffe. Here it is here. It has got tiny mushrooms and crystals and all those sorts of things, so she chose this and then some corresponding colours, which are all a little bit quirky but they suit her, and she's going to hang that from her school bag. You can see it's just made up of small pieces to make the leaf shapes. I've got some here because I'm going to make another one. They've got a small little cut out the top just so they sit right, but everything's got pre-cut holes in them. These have all got holes that I probably need to go around and punch through. If you've made any of my easy stitch, you'll know that the holes sometimes need a little bit of help, but they are there. See, that one's come through. Okay, so it's pretty straightforward. You've got your main body of your fob or your charm. You've got your small leaves, and what you will need is some hardware. I've got tassels and split rings. These are really good. These I think they call them lobster clasps. You've got a bigger one there, which you will use to just clip on and hang from your bag. So it's quite possibilities endless with these, really, with colours and different things. Okay, so first of all, I'll show you how to start, and then I'll speed through it. You want to knot the end of your thread. I'm just using a solid skein or skein, however you like to say it, of embroidery thread, because I just have loads of this laying around from my sewing, and knotting the end, nice big knot, and you want to come through from behind. You can see the holes are there, and you simply want to sew your leaves on through the holes so they're held in place, and you want to pull it tight in the direction that you want it to face. Okay, so I'm going to just continue up to the top, and then I'll come back to you. Okay, there we go. So you will have seen that I did get a little bit tangled every so often, but that's par for the course when you sort of got dangly bits and you're using thread. But you can see how that all comes together. It looks really cute. This would be neat in pine cone colours for fall. Now I know you guys are all heading into spring and summer, but we're a bit behind down here and the opposite, so we're actually coming into autumn, which I think is why Maisie's gone with these colours. Right, so once you've sewn everything on the front, what you want to do is just tie it off on the back. So it doesn't really matter how messy this is, you just want to put a little knot in it, and there we go. So you want to insert your hardware at this stage, depending on what you're wanting to use. You could go for that gold looks quite pretty on that. I might just, for consistency, go with, here we go, put this in here because it's the same as the other one. There'll be no arguments with the kids. Okay, so if you insert your hardware, and then all you simply do is you glue the back on. Now, something I will offer is, oh look, you can see the tape I had to use for the glitter. Something I will offer is a double-sided fob with holes, because you may want to have the leaves on both sides. But I'm just, because this is sitting flat against a bag, we're just going to leave it like this. You can also keep your leaves free, because you've secured them on quite tightly with thread. But if you want to add a dollop of little dotted glue underneath to hold them in place, you can do that too. Right, so I hope I've shown how easy it is to create these, and it's just another way to use up your scraps. I might even pop a display card on there too, in case you fancy selling some of these as well in your stores. Okay, I'd love to see what you create. Remember to post to Facebook or under your reviews. But thanks for watching and happy creating. Bye.